Hi, everybody. My name is Aryan Misefi, and I'm a Salesforce certified technical architect at Truffle. Today, we're going to talk about a sales problem that is really worth solving. Every week, thousands of signals flow into your company through signups, invites, user spike, you name it. The problem is like most companies are flying blind. The data lives in someone else's dashboard, executive leaders, they have access to it, but your field reps, boots on the ground, they're disconnected from those dashboards in action. Even if they had access, they couldn't do anything with it. They just have to observe and then see the trends, and that's it. And they have multiple systems to log. We asked ourselves one simple question. What if your sales team knew exactly when a product user was ready to buy? So today we are going to show you that how that future looks like. And we have built something called RevSignal that we're proud of. And we're going to dive into that with a specific demo tied to PLG use cases. So let's dive in. All right, so here I'm logged into my Salesforce instance. I'm Lauren Bailey in this case, and I'm an account executive. So when I log in, I see a map of intent. So pretty much all the customers that the system is telling me this is where I have to focus on. As you can see in the Tech Corp solutions, it detected a workspace growth spike. We know that it added 15 users in the past 3 days and 2 integrations got connected. It has a high propensity to buy, 92% intent. And as you can see, Agentforce already created a consolidation playbook email for this game. And now I'm familiar with one of my accounts, Starly, and I'm working with them for a while. So I can see that my opportunity with them is about $60,000 and multiple workspaces detected again. I can see the product usage data right from the account record. And also system identified the champions and active users. I can see a timeline of my relationship history with these customers, all the sales signals that we detected. And right here, I can see that AI or Agentforce has already created a consolidation playbook email for me. So what I need to do, since they're from the same domain and they're freemium users, I can just generate content here. As you can see, both of the stakeholders are copied, so I can remove anybody from here or add anybody I like. And the subject and the email body is created by AI and ready to be sent. So, or I'm going to a call with my champion. And prior to that call, I want to send her some information about the usage pattern. And as you can see, the latest usage are pulled from the system. So 3 new workspaces launched within the last 7 days, and 4 successful workspaces connect activation, and so on and so forth. So prior to the call, I can prepare myself for this, or send it to the customer, or create any playbooks and get it in front of anybody, or prepare myself with account brief and all these usage data. So traditionally, you had to work with your RevOps team or someone from analytics team to give you all this data, or you had to log into another system and stitch things together. With the rise of AI and the power of Data Cloud and Agentforce, we're bringing all this together, and we have created this amazing solution called RevSignal at Truffle, and we have been doing signal activation with all these cross-cloud solutions. So your reps are sitting on product signals every day. These usage spikes, you may have new workspaces or integrations connected, user invites. Without any context or automation, these signals rot, and that's what we call time decay. And what this does is to compress the time between you get these signals and the sales action. So instead of waiting for RevOps to create a dashboard for you or a CSM to flag an account, Agentforce is turning these signals into next steps and preparing it for you, like an email draft or a document or talking points prepared, champions named, and you name it. So you get a fewer wasted touches. There you get the faster cycles, and then higher ACV on accounts that are already warming up and using your product. So if your PLG motion is not producing this type of signals and not actionable, this closes the gap. If you're operating a PLG motion without this kind of signal intelligence, you're definitely leaving money on the table. Sellers are wasting time on accounts that they aren't ready. They're missing the ones that they actually are. And the system allows you to score them, prioritize them, and then prepare you for what the next step could look like. This is what we call good architecture. These signals are structuring Data Cloud, surfaced with Agentforce, and delivered when your team already works. If you're thinking about how to reduce space and prioritize your team's time or expand your product footprint, we should definitely keep this conversation going.